Welcome to the video demonstration of the panic alarm system by ElectroFox. In panic alarm system there are various combinations available, and users are free to choose the model that best aligns with their specific requirements. The models are, Model 1, Remote plus Siren, Model 2, Pull cord plus Siren, Model 3, Panic button plus Siren. It is very much possible to use multiple remotes, multiple panic buttons, or multiple pull cords to trigger a single siren. Multiple sirens can be added depending on the user's requirement. Press the remote to effortlessly send signals with an indoor range of 25 to 30 meters and an impressive outdoor range of 80 to 120 meters. Boost your operating distance by adding an amplifier, each capable of providing an additional indoor range of 25 to 30 meters. For even greater coverage, extend your range by incorporating multiple repeat. Thanks for watching. For more information visit our website, www.electrofoxindia.com.